Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list. Here we have to find the contact we would like to edit in this list and tap on it. So let me pick Anna. Now let's tap on Edit Contact in the right lower corner, and here we have to take a look at this left section, and right in the middle of it we've got this camera icon or the substitute of profile picture. So as you can see, after tapping on it, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. And all we have to do right now, as you can see, we've been transferred to our albums or the folders. We have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo. We can probably zoom in and out the photo, yes. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. Here you can rotate the picture if you want to, it's up to you of course. And if you are ready, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it will immediately appear right here, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, here we've got our photo. You will be able also to see it on the contact list. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.